Hi everyone, welcome back on TechnoTerabyte channel. This video was generated by AI. Hi everyone. First of all, to generate like this video, we will use three websites: ChatGPT and Gemini Banana and WavespeedAI website. First step, go to GPT and upload your image or only ask to write prompt for what do you want. Like I want scene of myself sitting in a YouTuber studio on a chair with the laptop behind me, lights and professional gear around me. Once ChatGPT gives you the prompt, copy it, then to Gemini, upload your image and paste the prompt, and make sure you choose banana tool and try many times with a different image of you with same prompt to get the best image. When the image ready, download it and go to website WavespeedAI AI that I mentioned, link on description. Explore tools on website, go to InfinityTalk, then after sign up, you should upload your image and your voice. The website will give you just 8 seconds only for free. Let's process, and in a few seconds I get complete video generated from that image. Make sure to follow me for more creative tools and tips. Your support keeps the content coming, and thank you for watching.